In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize Microsoft Word with Copilot enabled to draft legal documents and contracts effectively and efficiently. This tool is a game changer for anyone handling legal paperwork, streamlining the process while offering a mix of AI-driven suggestions and human expertise. Whether you're a seasoned attorney or a business professional, mastering this process can significantly enhance your productivity. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Word with Copilot enabled. Copilot is an AI-powered assistant that's integrated into Microsoft Word, enhancing its capabilities and helping you draft documents with more precision. If you're unfamiliar with how to enable Copilot, make sure your Microsoft Office suite is updated to the latest version where this feature is available. Once in Word, you'll know Copilot is active because it typically appears under the Home or Insert tab, offering various options to interact with the document. Now let's move on to providing key information or clauses. Think of Copilot as an assistant that can help carry the workload but doesn't replace the need for your input and expertise. Open your document and start by providing any fundamental details or clauses you want to include. This could be the name of the parties involved, business details, and any specific legal requirements pertinent to your jurisdiction. The more comprehensive and precise your initial information is, the more refined your draft will be. Next, with your key details entered, you can ask Copilot to draft the desired legal documents or contracts. This feature is incredibly robust when it comes to generating basic structures based on industry standard templates. Instruct Copilot by asking it to draft a specific type of document. For example, say, draft a non-disclosure agreement. Copilot will access its vast library of templates, presenting you with a preliminary draft rooted in best practices. Remember, it's critical to clearly define the document type and any key points you've already input to guide Copilot accurately in crafting an initial draft. After Copilot has generated your draft, it's time to review and customize it with legal expertise. While Copilot provides a solid foundation, the end result needs the refined touch of a professional who understands the intricacies of legal language and the particular requirements of your case. Go through each section, ensuring that the document reflects the specific needs and nuances of your situation. Pay close attention to clauses that might need tailoring to meet specific legal standards or the particular demands of the parties involved. To sum it up, using Microsoft Word with Copilot enabled can greatly expedite the drafting of legal documents, offering a seamless blend of AI